We're here at the Baymont Inn here in Washington, Indiana. Check out what we have here. We have DOVER Impulse. Let's go to 2. Yes, look at that. It's DOVER. Very quick for hydraulic. Let's go back up 2. Not 88 phone. It's a black phone too. Assuming they got that from Walmart. Impulse buttons. Nothing too exciting. Oh, so they got a nice elevator here. Impulse buttons. Here, 1. Nice hotel. I forgot this last time I was here. There's an old fan. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.